my god.
Yo, shit was hot in hell in here, yo.
Yo,
I
who
think
shot?
there's a way through
Yo,
on the other
that
side
shit
of
went
the
with
glass.
Alright,
What the fuck happened in there? That does not look safe.
I need some beer.
Oh my god. Wait, I was, oh wait, I already commented on this thing.
Well, hi.
I don't know. Wait, what's this? I thought there was like. Sorry.
No, where do we get? Where do we get?
Any documents?
I didn't see anything.
I've seen papers.
Over a door or.
Alright,
I'm assuming in here. That's gonna be something.
No, that's not it.
Come on.
What the fuck?
Wait, should I wasted it? Bullet?
Can I just melee? How do you melee? Okay.
Yep, got it.
I should not go first. Why do I keep doing that? I can't even melee.